When you interactively work on a remote machine through an SSH connection, the problem is that if you leave for a while, or have no end user input on the terminal for a while, when you come back and would like to continue your work, you realize that your previous SSH session is frozen or is disconnected, which could be really annoying, as you have to start all over again for a new session. This video will demonstrate you how to configure your SSH session keep alive, which prevents network devices from considering the session as idle. If you are on Linux, Mac, or Cygwin terminal using an open SSH client on your local machine, before you make the SSH connection, what you need to do is to set server live interval value in your SSH configuration file. For example, you can use this command. Now you are ready to make your SSH connection to your remote machine. If you are on Windows, there are a couple of commonly used tools that can be used for making an SSH connection. For example, if you use PuTTY, before you make your connection, you go to the connection setting. You see, here is the value as 0 for keep alive. So you can input, for example, 60 to set server alive interval as 60 seconds. Then you go to the session to type your remote machine address to make the connection. Another commonly used tool on Windows is a mobile xterm. If you use this tool for your SSH connection, what you need to do before you start the session, you go to Setting and select SSH and make sure this option is checked, which you can see it will send the data every 60 seconds to avoid disconnection. Then you click OK, and then you are ready to start your session for your SSH connection.